Are you ready to dive into the world of digital marketing and learn how to kickstart your own online journey? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to unravel the mysteries of digital marketing and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to get started. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a small business owner, or simply curious about this dynamic field, this video is for you. So grab your notebook, buckle up, and let's embark on an exhilarating journey where we unravel the secrets of digital marketing and empower you to make your mark in the online world. Let's get started. Before we jump into the step-by-step guide, let's take a moment to understand what digital marketing is all about. In a nutshell, digital marketing refers to the strategies and techniques used to promote products or services through digital channels, such as search engines, social media, email, and more. With the increasing reliance on technology and the internet, digital marketing has become an indispensable tool for businesses and individuals alike. It allows us to reach and engage with our target audience on a global scale, drive website traffic, and ultimately, achieve our marketing objectives. Step 1. Define your goals. The initial step in embarking on a successful digital marketing journey is to define your goals. This pivotal stage involves clearly outlining and articulating the specific outcomes you aim to achieve through your digital marketing efforts. Whether you aspire to boost brand awareness, drive website traffic, increase online conversions, or engage with a larger audience, establishing well-defined goals is crucial to guide your strategy effectively. By setting objectives that are measurable, attainable, and relevant to your overall business objectives, you establish a concrete roadmap for your digital marketing initiatives. These goals should be specific enough to provide clarity on what you want to accomplish and serve as benchmarks for evaluating your progress and success. Furthermore, defining your goals enables you to align your digital marketing efforts with your broader business strategy. This ensures that your digital marketing activities are closely tied to your organizational objectives, contributing to the overall growth and success of your business. Through this thoughtful goal-setting process, you gain a clear sense of direction and purpose, enabling you to make informed decisions regarding your digital marketing channels, tactics, and messaging. It also helps you allocate resources effectively and prioritize your efforts, ensuring maximum efficiency and impact. Remember, defining your goals is the foundation upon which your entire digital marketing strategy will be built. So take the time to consider your aspirations, assess your business needs, and establish specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound goals that will drive your digital marketing journey forward. Before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for more informative and amazing videos. Step 2. Identify your target audience. Once you have defined your goals, the next vital step in starting your digital marketing journey is to identify your target audience. Understanding who your audience is and what drives them is essential for creating targeted and impactful marketing campaigns. To identify your target audience, begin by conducting thorough market research. This involves gathering data and insights about demographics, psychographics, behaviors, and preferences of your potential customers. By analyzing factors such as age, gender, location, interests, and buying habits, you can develop a comprehensive profile of your ideal customer. Additionally, consider the pain points, challenges, and desires of your target audience. What problems are they facing, and how can your products or services provide solutions? By empathizing with their needs, you can tailor your messaging and value proposition to resonate deeply with your audience. Furthermore, leverage tools like customer surveys, social media analytics, and website analytics to gather quantitative and qualitative data about your audience. This will provide valuable insights into their online behavior, preferences, and engagement patterns. Remember, the more you understand your target audience, the more effectively you can craft your marketing messages and select the appropriate digital channels to reach them. By delivering relevant and personalized content to your audience, you can establish meaningful connections and build long-lasting relationships. Ultimately, identifying your target audience allows you to focus your efforts and resources on the individuals who are most likely to engage with your brand, leading to higher conversion rates and a stronger return on investment. So invest time and effort into getting to know your audience and let their needs and preferences shape your digital marketing strategy. Step 3. Create compelling content. Once you have defined your goals and identified your target audience, the next crucial step in starting your digital marketing journey is to create compelling content. Content lies at the core of any successful digital marketing strategy, as it is the vehicle through which you engage, educate, and inspire your audience. Compelling content captivates your target audience and encourages them to take action. It should be informative, entertaining, and valuable, offering a unique perspective or solving a problem for your audience. By delivering content that resonates with their interests and needs, you can establish credibility, build trust, and foster a loyal following. To create compelling content, start by developing a content strategy. This involves planning the types of content you will produce, the platforms you will utilize, and the frequency of your content distribution. Consider the preferences and behaviors of your target audience to determine the most suitable formats, such as blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts, or social media posts. Remember to be consistent in your content creation efforts. Regularly publish high-quality content that aligns with your brand voice and reflects your unique value proposition. This consistency will help you build brand recognition and maintain audience engagement over time. Additionally, ensure your content is optimized for search engines by incorporating relevant keywords and providing valuable information that satisfies search intent. This will help improve your visibility and organic traffic. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment and evolve your content strategy based on audience feedback and analytics. Analyze metrics such as engagement rates, shares, and conversions to gain insights into what resonates most with your audience and adjust your content accordingly. By creating compelling content that speaks directly to your target audience, you can differentiate yourself from competitors and foster meaningful connections. So invest time and effort into crafting content that informs, entertains, and inspires, and watch as your digital marketing efforts flourish. Step 4. Leverage social media. After defining your goals, identifying your target audience, and creating compelling content, the next crucial step in starting your digital marketing journey is to leverage social media. Social media platforms offer an incredible opportunity to reach and engage with your audience on a global scale. To leverage social media effectively, start by selecting the platforms that align with your target audience and business objectives. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube are popular choices, but it's important to research where your audience spends their time online. Once you've chosen the right platforms, create engaging profiles that reflect your brand identity and resonate with your target audience. Optimize your profiles with captivating visuals, clear descriptions, and relevant keywords to enhance your discoverability. Share your compelling content consistently on social media to engage and captivate your audience. Use a mix of formats, such as photos, videos, live streams, and stories, to keep your content fresh and varied. Encourage interaction and conversation by asking questions, running polls, and responding to comments and messages promptly. Consider leveraging paid advertising options offered by social media platforms. Utilize targeting options to ensure your ads reach the right audience and allocate your budget strategically to maximize results. Regularly monitor your social media analytics to gauge the performance of your content and campaigns. Pay attention to metrics such as reach, engagement, click-through rates, and conversions. Use these insights to refine your social media strategy, experiment with different approaches, and optimize your efforts for better results. By leveraging social media effectively, you can expand your reach, build brand awareness, and foster a loyal community of followers. Social media provides a powerful platform for storytelling, connecting with your audience on a personal level, and driving traffic to your website or other digital assets. So, dive into the world of social media, engage with your audience authentically, and unlock the immense potential it holds for your digital marketing success. Step 5. Measure your success. The final and essential step in starting your digital marketing journey is to measure your success. By measuring and analyzing the performance of your digital marketing efforts, you can gain valuable insights, make data-driven decisions, and continuously improve your strategies. Start by identifying key performance indicators that align with your goals and objectives. These key performance indicators could include website traffic, conversion rates, click-through rates, engagement metrics, social media followers, or email open rates. By setting benchmarks and tracking these metrics, you can gauge the effectiveness of your digital marketing initiatives. Utilize web analytics tools like Google Analytics to gather data on your website's performance. Monitor metrics such as page views, bounce rates, average session duration, and conversion funnels to understand user behavior and optimize your website's user experience. Additionally, leverage social media analytics provided by the platforms you utilize. These analytics offer insights into your audience demographics, engagement rates, reach, and post performance. Use this data to determine which content resonates most with your audience and refine your social media strategy accordingly. Regularly review your marketing campaigns and advertisements to evaluate their impact. Assess metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and return on investment to determine their effectiveness and make informed decisions about future investments. Furthermore, don't forget the power of qualitative feedback. Engage with your audience, listen to their opinions and suggestions, and use their feedback to improve your digital marketing efforts. By measuring your success, you can identify what works and what doesn't, optimize your strategies, and allocate your resources effectively. This iterative process ensures that your digital marketing efforts continuously evolve and deliver improved results over time. So, embrace data and analytics, track your progress, and let the insights you gain shape your future digital marketing endeavors. By constantly measuring and adapting, you can maximize your digital marketing success and achieve your goals. By defining your goals, identifying your target audience, creating compelling content, leveraging social media, and measuring your success, you're on the path to digital marketing success. Remember, digital marketing is a dynamic and ever-evolving field. Stay curious, keep learning, and adapt your strategies as the digital landscape continues to evolve. And that's a wrap on our step-by-step guide to starting your digital marketing journey. We hope you found this video insightful and empowering. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting digital marketing tips and insights. Until next time, happy digital marketing.